Hey everyone, welcome back. Austin here. I'm in our Cook Your Catch kitchen, and today we're going to be using red huckleberries to make a shrub. So first step, I'm going to take equal parts white vinegar and sugar. Here I have a cup of vinegar, cup of sugar, and I'm going to put that in a small saucepan, turn on my heat to bring that close to a boil, and then dissolve the sugar. So our vinegar is slightly coming to a simmer. I'm going to add our sugar, give it a stir, and I'm going to keep it on the heat until the sugar is completely dissolved. And while that's happening, I'm going to take our huckleberries and slightly macerate them just so we get some of the juices out. So when the heat hits the berries, it's going to help speed up the process a little bit. I have a sterilized mason jar, and I'm going to add the huckleberries to the mason jar. And you can see we have some juice there as well. We want to make sure we get all that in there. So our last step, you can see that our sugar and vinegar mixture is boiling and all the sugar has dissolved. And all we're going to do is pour this directly into the mason jar. We're leaving a little bit of room at the top, and then we're going to let this completely cool, and we're going to store it in a cool, dark place. Cabinet works perfect for 4 days. If you like, you can shake it once a day to help just incorporate everything within that vinegar and sugar mixture. So lastly, we're going to make a really simple beverage with our shrub. Drinking vinegars is really popular right now just because of all the health benefits. These shrubs have actually been around a very long time, and they're really a nice way to enhance a cocktail or even something as simple as what we're making right now. You can see this is our shrub that we've let sit out for about 4 days, and it has almost a syrupy consistency. The color is beautiful, and this is what we're going to add to our seltzer water. So for about a cup of seltzer water, we're going to add roughly 3 tablespoons of the shrub. You can see it'll sink to the bottom just because of the viscosity and the thickness of it. If you like, you can give it a small stir. It's really good, really refreshing. The huckleberries are tart. There's a sweetness, the acidity from the vinegar. It's all really well balanced. Throughout the summer, we like to showcase different berries in our bar program. So if you're lucky enough to be here while we're showcasing huckleberries, I suggest grabbing one of these drinks from the bar. So this is another way that we like to showcase wild foods at the Alaska Fish House. So to check out more recipes, go to exclusivealaska.com.